जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers. Hope you are all fine. Welcome to CAT practice. Viewers, if you are a civil engineer and recently you have completed your degree and now you are looking for some good job opportunity, then definitely you have to do some extra courses. You have to do some short courses and you have to skill you up in your required field. Degree is not enough for you for having a good job. You have to skill you up in your required field. So for the sake of this, I have made a list of some short courses, some important courses, some demanding courses which you have to do after completion of your degree. So video is going to be very interesting. I have a request for you guys, kindly watch the video completely and try to absorb the things which I am telling you. So time is most precious. Let's start. So viewers, for having a good job, you have to know about some important software for a civil engineer. If you are looking for some job opportunity at good place, then these software would help you a lot. So let's get started. At first we have architectural software. In architectural software there are three categories, that is AutoCAD, Revit and 3ds Max. Now these are three architectural software which you have to do for having a good job at a good place. That's it. Moving to the next, we have structural software. In structural software you have three most important software which you have to do for having a good job, that is ETAB, SAP and StandPro. Basically these are three structural software in which you design beams, columns, structural buildings. So that's related to structural software. So these are three most important structural software for you to having a good job. Now next we have Surveyor Special. These courses are basically estimation courses. In this we have quantity survey. Next, Autodesk Civil 3D, in which you this software basically of when you shift data from your total station, theodolite to AutoCAD and measurement, etc. So that this is related to that one. Next we have road quantity. So in Survey Special we have three most important software: quantity survey, Autodesk Civil 3D and road quantity. So you have to know about this. Next, management software. In management software we have Primavera Pro and Microsoft Project Pro. So these are two management software which you have to do for having a good job. Moving to the next, we have safety courses. These are the most important courses which you have to do, which is the backbone of your job for having a good job. So first safety courses you have to do is NIBOSH IGC. What does it mean? NIBOSH IGC means NIBOSH International General Certificate. Next we have IOSH Managing Safely course, and next we have OSHA. So these are three basic safety courses which you have to do for having a good job. So viewers, if you are looking for some job opportunity at good place, then these three categories: architectural software, structural software, then safety courses and managing software. So these courses you have to do these courses for having a good job. So practice these courses are available online. Either you go for online or go for some institute where you can find it there. So that's it. So viewers, hope you have learned something new today. If you like the video, subscribe the channel for more videos and share it with others so that everyone gets benefit of it. Thanks a lot. Thanks a million. Thanks a bunch.